Seamstress. I have taught myself to repair the torn. Yesterday I stitched life back into an Arctic fox, used the leftovers to patch unruly splits in rusty old slacks, learning to plug gaps, mend cracks. Flesh sears fibre, seams fracture, come apart, buttons hang loose, midwinter cracks heels. Once in a while something sticks out its tongue, licks the bits poking through finger cut-out gloves, fingers that thumb rain, index undone, press the hull on a slow drifting boat into the wind's tail, unconcerned of shore or bottom first. But I can fix it all. The repairs are impressive. They might just hold in the rust and arrears. Now there is an emerging cross, brown, Narcissa standing tall, proud, in love with itself, boring the duvet of summers past. It must be plugged, goddesses appeased. I must be the alterer, seamstress, carpenter, fine cups to fur, new hands to mitten, paper over cracks.